Hello everyone and welcome to your channel Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. Last video we announced a nice and great surprise for the next video. Today is the time to reveal this great and nice surprise. One of the channel services is making interviews at meetings with managers and leaders. We actually choose the best managers and leaders locally and internationally, and we make meetings and interviews with them so we can learn from their experiences, from their knowledge. In the previous meeting that the channel did, it was with Mr. Faisal Al-Dawli, the manager of the Academic British Institute in Sana'a, Yemen. Well, for today, we're going to meet a fantastic manager, and this manager works in a very complicated, in a very intense and crucial sector and industry. Today, it's our honor to meet Dr. Omar Mulhi, the marketing and sales manager at Shaphaco Pharmaceutical Company in Sana'a, the capital of Yemen. Welcome to our channel, sir. And welcome. We are really so glad and proud to meet you in the channel. It's also our honor, and thank you so much for your nice words. Sir, would you please introduce your company and also your managerial career at it? Shaphaco is a pharmaceutical industrial Yemeni company. Shaphaco was launched in 1993, and it started its manufacturing and its operations in 1999. It is actually one of the biggest local pharmaceutical companies. What distinguishes our company is our manufacturing, our quality, and also a quite important thing that distinguishes our company is its official registration in the Gulf Cooperation Council centrally, as well as in the Gulf Cooperation Council countries. It is actually the only Yemeni company that has this special registration in the Gulf area. So our company has an extremely successful business journey of 20 years, extremely prosperous. Actually, the biggest and strongest proof for our success is our products, which are extremely demandable. They are highly demandable by patients, by doctors, and by pharmacists due to their quality and to their reliability. About my managerial career at Shaphaco, I'm still new at the company. I graduated in 1994. I've worked before with GlaxoSmithKline, and I've done and climbed in the managerial positions over there until I reached the position of country manager. After that, I worked in Rafa Pharmaceutical Company for 2 years as a general manager. Finally, I joined Shaphaco Company in March 2019. Great, sir. Finally, would you conclude with a last comment for the channel and its fans, please, sir? Thank you so much. I consider and view management, leadership, and marketing as purely arts. Especially marketing, I extremely like it. To more specify marketing and emphasize its popularity, well, I can say that marketing is done and practiced in all our life matters. Well, you know that you actually practice marketing even at home, but maybe you are not aware of it. Yeah, for example, when you went to get engaged to your wife or to your fiance in the past, which is your wife now, you actually did marketing to market yourself in front of her father. You study management and marketing, you will actually be successful in your life. So it's not only to work as a marketing manager or as a manager, it is something required and important for your personal success. From this perspective, I'd like to address your channel. So this common perspective and underground, try to embed management, marketing, and leadership culture in our society and in our lives in general. When carefully and properly learning the principles of management, leadership, and marketing, people will become successful and they will improve themselves in their lives and their relationships with their wives, with their kids, with their friends, with their community. So they will become better people in applying the managerial leadership and marketing concepts. So thank you so much for this channel, and we wish you all the best. We wish you extreme success and prosperity. all the points that the doctor mentioned go smoothly in tandem and in parallel with the focus and strategy of our channel, because our motto in the channel is manage to prosper. So to prosper, to become better, to develop yourself, to become more successful in your life, in your job, and in all your aspects. So it is something important for the prosperity of the society. Thank you so much, sir, for this great interview. We were extremely glad to be here with you and to sit in your nice office, in your great company. We are extremely thankful to you and to your company. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure to stay with our channel every Thursday. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and activate the notifications bell. Participate with us and share the channel via all our electronic platform in YouTube, in the website, in our email, and in Instagram and in Facebook. Thank you so much. See you next Thursday, and goodbye.